Welcome to the Project Manager series where a highly experienced and skilled project manager, will share my knowledge and expertise in managing various types of projects. In this series, I will get into the evolution of project management, providing valuable insights and practical tips that will help you navigate the complexities of project execution and drive exceptional business growth opportunities. As a senior project manager with a background in business intelligence management tools, I have a very unique skill set that allows me to effectively analyze data and gain valuable insights. With a focus on product planning and execution, I'm committed to provide excellent customer satisfaction and maximizing the potential for success in every project. Through my extensive experience working with websites, I've sharpened my abilities in utilizing a range of data analysis tools, including database querying, programming languages, spreadsheets, and visualization softwares. I stand out as a leader and I do communicate effectively findings to stakeholders, ensuring that project objectives are achieved successfully. The purpose of the Project Manager series is twofold: to provide valuable content that can be shared through videos on social media, and to enhance my personal website portfolio. Through this series, I aim to showcase my abilities and demonstrate to companies and potential employers that I am the ideal project manager to lead their organizations. By delivering content in chronological order, I will provide a comprehensive understanding of project management, enabling you to follow a logical progression of topics and gain a holistic perspective on the subject. In each video, I will explore various aspects of project management, including planning, organizing the workflow of website projects, coordinating with design, development, and marketing teams to achieve project objectives and acting as a primary point of contact for clients. I will get into the development of project timelines, budgets, and resource plans, as well as tracking project progresses against those parameters, quality assurance checks, guidance, and support to team members, and staying updated with industry trends and best practices will also be discussed. By sharing my knowledge and expertise, I hope to inspire and empower fellow project managers, inspiring professionals and individuals seeking to enhance their project management skills. Join me on this journey as we explore the world of project management together, learning, growing, achieving success in every project.